In this video, we'll show you how to change the radiator on your Nissan Altima. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Nissan Altima safely. You need to drain the coolant circuit. To do this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Perform a Coolant Flush on a Nissan Altima. To change the radiator on your vehicle, you need to remove the front bumper reinforcement. To do this, we suggest watching our video, How to Replace the Front Bumper Reinforcement, Nissan Altima. Now you need to remove the radiator support upper tie bar. Start by disconnecting the horn's power connectors. Next, using pliers, remove the clips holding the horn's wiring harness to the tie bar. Then, remove the harness from its slot. You can place it on a bumper bracket. Using a broom handle, secure the hood fully open. This will allow you to remove the hood support rod located on the tie bar. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 bolts holding the headlight. Then remove it. Do the same on the other side. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 bolts holding the upper tie bar in place. Then remove it. Using a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 air intake resonator retaining bolts. You can now remove the air intake resonator. Then, remove the washer pump fluid reservoir hole by jiggling it back and forth. Using adjustable pliers or the tool used in the video, compress the coolant hose retaining ring. Then move the ring. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the filler neck retaining bolt. Then remove the hose. Using a fork, remove the 2 air intake duct retaining rivets. Then remove it. Disconnect the pressure switch from the AC condenser. Using a small flathead screwdriver, remove the rubber insulators retaining clips. Then, using the same tool, remove the plastic covers on either side of the condenser. Retrieve the 2 upper rubber insulators. Then, remove the last hoses on the driver's side using collar pliers. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. You must now remove the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Nissan Altima car battery. Then, remove the overflow hose. Unclip the retainers from the condenser. Disengage the condenser from the radiator by pulling upwards and then away. Then shift the radiator assembly. Using pliers, squeeze the metal clamp and disconnect the last hose from the radiator. You can now remove the radiator. You can attach the condenser to secure it with a clamp or wire. You can order the radiator used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Place the radiator on the ground and collect the lower rubber insulators from the radiator. Install them on the new radiator. If they look worn, we recommend replacing them with new ones. Cut the condenser clamp. Take the new radiator. Then install it. Remove the plastic cover. Reconnect the upper coolant hose. Then lock it in place using the pliers. Put the air conditioning condenser back on the radiator. Reconnect the overflow hose. Then lock it in place using pliers. Remove the second shutter cover. Put the two hoses back in place on the driver's side. Then lock them in place with the needle nose pliers. Place the two upper rubber insulators on the radiator. Put the insulator retaining clips back in place. Put the plastic covers back in place, passing the AC pressure switch power supply through them and clip them back on. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the air intake duct back in place and reinstall the rivets. Put the filler neck back in place. Then retighten the retaining bolt. Put the upper tie bar back in place. Then tighten the 3 bolts. Remove the broom handle and put the hood prop back in place. Put the headlights back in place. Then screw the retaining bolts back in. Put the horn's power cable back in place. Then reconnect them. Now you need to put the front bumper reinforcement and front bumper cover back in place. To do this, we suggest watching our video, How to Replace the Front Bumper Reinforcement Nissan Altima. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Put the battery back in place. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Nissan Altima car battery. Now you need to refill the radiator with coolant and purge any air from the circuit. To do this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Perform a Coolant Flush on a Nissan Altima. The video also shows how to expel air from the circuit when refilling it. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.